If you're experiencing a cloud save error on your PlayStation 5, specifically error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your saved data. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to ensure there are no ongoing issues with the service. If the network is down, you may need to wait until it is restored. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation 5. Power off your PS5 completely and unplug it for a few minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Update system software. Go to Settings, then System Software and select System Software Update. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest version. Updates can fix bugs and improve system performance. Step 4. Check cloud storage settings. Navigate to Settings, then Save Data and Gain/App Settings and select Save Data PS5. Ensure that your cloud storage settings are correctly configured and that you have enough space available. Step 5. Rebuild database. Turn off your PS5 and boot it into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild Database option. This process can help fix corrupted data and resolve the error. After following these steps, check if the cloud save error is resolved. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.